Hey guys, how's it going? This is Kovid from Coderkovid YouTube channel, and today we're going to start our exercise series that we have already finished basics of Learn Python programming. So if you haven't watched here, you can go to my channel and go to my playlist of Learn Python programming, and there you will see all these stuffs. And after knowing all these stuffs, come to this exercise and learn with us and make your projects and submit it to me, and I will see and you will see your knowledge. So in this video we are going to check some exercises you will do with me in real time. So the link is given in the description box below. Go to that and code with me. So in this video you have to write a program to take two arguments in a function and then find the sum of two arguments. So that means you have to make a function with two arguments and add those arguments. So if you have known about it, pause this video and do it in your own. Okay, I think you have already done, and if you have got answer of your code is correct, you are totally done. But if you haven't got that and you got blank, you just have to remove this hashtag and or comment mark at the forward of test it, so you will get the answer after doing it. And if you have done and got the answer of your code is correct, then you are totally good. And if you haven't got and known about something like that, and here is the solution for you. So here what it's saying, that you write your function here, and note is write the function named as sum2. So that means we have to define a function that named as sum2. And as the question says us to take two parameters or arguments, we have to take two of them. And after getting that, we will just use return, the function return, that helps to just give out and return. So guys, this return function is used only inside the function. Okay, so if I use this here or anywhere else at the back of function, it will not work. So return num1 plus num2. You can also do like something variable equals num1 and num2 and print something variable. So that's also good. But to make code shorter and shorter, the principle of coding is make your code as much shorter as you can. So we made it shorter. So as I run this, so it's saying something error. Okay, so here it shows me error. We shouldn't do this. Okay, you can see your code is correct. And if you have also got this one here, you are good to go. If you haven't got this and you have seen the solution, yeah, and after seeing this solution, go fast and change your code and write your code and share with me. And if you have done it, just copy the code like this and copy and go to my videos like this. And if let's suppose this is my video, you just have to put here and comment down there, and you are good to go. So thank you guys for watching this video, and our next exercise is square numbers. If you can do that too, the link is given down in the description box below. So I don't think I will put, but let's see. But the next one is square numbers. You can just play around and complete it by my next video. Thank you guys.